So the next thing now to do is compress your video, because it's very necessary to compress your video. The Android user, you click open on your Panda. Now listen, the Panda, once you open on the Panda, just follow the step, then to take you to a place where you'll be asked, click on original. So original files, once you click on the original files, you'll be asked to select the video you want to compress. Once you click on the video you wish to compress, immediately you'll be given some options. How do you want to compress them? Now those options, number one, you'll be select best quality. That is the second one. Yes, best quality. Down, reduce your video very fast. So I'm using video compressor here. So video compressor. So because I don't have Android, what do you call it? I don't have Android this thing. So let's see, where's the video? Okay, there is a video here. So I select on the video, then I click media quality, but on Panda it is best quality. Are you with me? So I click on media quality. You can see as fast as it is. So this is it, 1.65 megabytes. So now I click on save. So for you guys, once your Panda has compressed the video for you finished, please, it will ask you to compare. Are you with me? Yes. Once compare, then once you compare the two, that means the original and the one it does compress for you, click on replace. That is, it should replace the original file. Don't keep the both files. The reason is you are duplicating your videos and your storage will keep on reducing. So Panda, the usefulness of Panda is, for example, Panda might even turn this one, that this video compressor compress to 1.65 megabytes. Panda might decide to compress it maybe to 450 kilobytes. Although Panda is that slow, it's slow, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. And for your customers, you want to send videos to them, sending large videos to them, majority of them will not download it because of the large data, and that's the usefulness of the compressor. Are you with me? Maintain the two aspects. The best quality is what you should use, and for those of you that are having issues in one or two things, kindly chat with me. But before you do so, please click on the subscribe button, like the video, and whatever question you have, I'm at your service to answer you. Femtech Studio says good morning. Have a lovely day. Bye.